We are jumping right into Google Chrome to expand your view and get rid of all the extra tab clutter on your desktop monitor. To enter full screen mode using your mouse, move your cursor off to the upper right-hand corner of your browser screen. Look for the three vertical dots icon and click on it to open the main drop-down menu. Move your cursor down to where it says Zoom. Off to the far right side of the zoom line, right next to the plus and minus buttons, you will notice a small square box icon. Hover over that icon and click on it. Your browser window immediately expands to cover your entire display. Now, the important thing is to understand how this setting actually changes your browsing experience. When you activate full screen mode, Chrome stretches the website across every pixel of your monitor. This gives you a massive, clean viewing area with zero distractions, which is fantastic for watching videos or reading long articles. However, that goes both ways. By hiding the top interface, you also lose immediate access to your tab bar, your address bar, your bookmarks, and your browser extensions. You will not be able to see your open tabs or quickly type a new website address while this mode is turned on. You gain extra viewing space, but you trade away your fast navigation tools. In my case, I usually skip the menu entirely and use the built-in keyboard shortcut because it saves so much time. All you have to do is locate the F11 key along the top row of your keyboard and press it once. Chrome instantly toggles into full screen mode without requiring any menu clicks. If you are using a compact laptop keyboard, you might need to hold down the function key before hitting F11 to make it work. Exiting full screen mode is just as quick when you need your tabs back. You can press the F11 key one more time to instantly switch back to the normal windowed layout. If you prefer using your mouse, move your cursor anywhere over an empty, non-clickable area on the web page and perform a right click. A small context menu pops up right next to your cursor. Look near the top of that menu where it says Exit Full Screen and click on it. Chrome immediately restores your browser tabs, your top search bar, and your normal window border.